me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that
Good morning. So this is our first morning in the Baviaanskloof. Yes, it's really cold. Woke up to temperatures 1 degree Celsius. Coffee, a quick fire, and that helped to keep us warm. We're now going to try and see what we can find around this place. What else there is to do. So we found the side road and we took it. And turns out it's an old, well, it's a river, it's not an old river, it's just a river, but it's completely dry. And from the looks of it, it hasn't been running for a very long time. So we followed it all the way, and it seems to meet up with what looks like another river, which also is not flowing. But the scenery is pretty cool. I think it'll make a great picnic spot when the river is flowing. Okay, so we're just checking out the Baviaanskloof. We're actually on the road to Patensi. Yeah, we've just stopped at some of the accommodation spots just to see what the different offerings are and so on. And we're probably about 200 meters away from the Baviaanskloof Padstall, I think it is called, if I've got the pronunciation right. Down that direction. Over there. Yeah. The temperature has gone up quite a bit. It's a lot warmer now. You can see I'm still wearing my morning gown though, just to keep warm, but it's not as cold as it was this morning. we came across a sign for the wild fig forest and decided to
Gentlemen,
go check
today
it
on
out.
Silverfontein Community Farm, Patrick Reuters, the shortest tour guide in the whole world. Today I take out one of the visitors to the spring water. And this farm belongs to 75 shareholders, Silverfontein Development Trust Farm. We drive now to the spring water where I show the visitors the greatest springs on Silverfontein. Thank you very much.
Going to the fountain. Gonna check out the stream, or the fountain rather.
Thank you very much for your visit today on Baviaanskloof. My name is Patrick Reuters. Patrick Reuters,
Yes.
the shortest tour guide in the whole world. The shortest tour guide in the whole world. And I show you today one of the greatest fountains. It was only drilled. It was geboord. And the water come out under the earth without a pump. And this one was for 1937, 16 February. From this day to today, non-stop. It's 110 meters deep inside the ground and give for Silverfontein Farm 49,500 liters fresh water per hour. You can drink it, it's very fresh water.
Yes, I'm definitely gonna try.
If you empty here, you can make it full for you.
No, I don't have. Mine actually is full already.
Okay.
I should have come empty. No, that's really cool. Thanks a lot for showing us.
If you finish, then
Perfect.
after all, then we
Yeah.
can go to the wild pig
Quick trail. Yeah, we can go.
Yes.
Thank you. Now going into the wild fig forest. It's really cool in here.
Come on. Yeah, in the wild pig forest, most of the trees are more than 500 years old. 150 meter, the second fountain, where they call them fountain. Follow me.
That should be fun. It's a good exercise. And it's all stairs.
You can see that most of the trees are fell down because of, and that is only old trees.
Oh,
The resumes get always water, and that makes it that this area is also green, because this water flows during the whole year.
the water is clean.
You can see this was the greatest tree. It fell 20 October 2020.
Only one because they fall down.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
fall down and they continue growing. Yes.
All of this trees area is natural. This fig was not planted here. The fountains and the wild fig trees growing up here on its own. That was not planted. You can see the old trees. People are right here, playing here, and so on.
Yeah.
I'm a long shot. I have a warning for you. Mind your head. You can see there is a fruit fix.
Oh, the figs. Okay.
Maybe July, August,
Yeah.
the figs coming this way. When it's red,
Yes.
you can eat it.
Okay.
But the baboon and the monkey,
Yeah.
you eat it all up. Okay guys, this is the end of the trail, my short trail.
Oh.
Here is the second fountain, this one. And this water going this way. This water coming to the dams full of for springs for the Sharon. So,
And they all
There
just,
was-
no pumps, they all
yeah,
just come out.
this one coming out of the earth. Every day and night it flows, flows, flows. Non-stop moving.
That's
I say ladies and gentlemen, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You
Thank
can
you so
enjoy your
much.
time. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, Patrick.
Bye, dankie.
We're on our way to check out some sun art, some of the rocks in the Baviaanskloof. Not really good with Afrikaans, but I think that's what that says. Which one paintings? That right. Here's a cobweb. Whoa. That's it. We have a nice view.